And there you go. All the bark is gone. So we broke through that last piece of bark. Didn't hurt anything. We're standing out of the line of fire. And here's our log now. So you can see where we started getting a cut into here. That's the green from my from my toolbox. So we'll remount it back up. Now we know we're not going to have any bark. All of it came off. And we'll obviously have a much smaller piece, but it does give us a good look at the burls and the knots we're going to have in here. And everyone loves watching something fly off the lathe. Maybe I'll put that in slow motion.